Hey there, YouTube friends. Today I'm going to try out this Chicago Electric 6-amp reciprocating saw with rotating handle that I got from Harbor Freight for a project I'm doing. I'm actually making a breakfast bar slash pass-through that's going to be going from my den to my kitchen area, and I'm going to have to cut out some paneling and cut through some screws and nails, so I think this will come in handy. It doesn't come with any blades, so I also picked up these Warrior 6-inch reciprocating saw blades from Harbor Freight. And if you're interested, here is the model number. The model number is 62370. Alright, so now I'm just going to unbox it here. And I'm trying to open the chuck, but it is real tight. I mean, I can't get it to budge. So I'm going to try to use a plier. Maybe just because it's new, I can't crack it, but let's see if I... Well, crack it with this. It's a little tight. There we go. Yeah, that was really tight. I couldn't get it to loosen up. I had to use that plier. Okay, we're good. Okay, first I'm going to open the chuck by turning it counterclockwise. And now I'm going to drop the blade in. And I'm going to release the chuck. So now that blade is in there good and tight. Now this has a rotating handle. So with this yellow button right here, I could just pull that in and then turn it and release it. And now I could use a reciprocating saw like that. And if I want to turn it back, I do the same thing. Just like that. And go the other way too. To operate the saw, I'm just going to squeeze this trigger here. And if I want to lock that trigger in, I'll squeeze the trigger and then press this yellow button right here, and that'll lock the trigger. And then I just squeeze the trigger again to release it. I don't like that little give right here that you can see. I like it a little bit tighter, but I'm going to test it out now. The saw does come with a manual and safety instructions, so always follow the manual guidelines for operation and for personal safety. I'm going to test out the reciprocating saw. I'm removing this display case right here, and I have to cut some screws, 2 on this side and 2 on that side. So this blade is good for wood as well as metal, so I'm going to test it out right now. Okay, we have a little problem here. The reciprocating saw died. Lucky for me, I had the camera rolling. I didn't actually realize that the camera was rolling, but we caught it on tape, so let's look back and see what happened. Okay, I actually went through my emails, and Harbor Freight is real good about emailing you receipts as soon as you buy something, if they have your email. So I have the receipt, I just printed it up. I'm going to try to take it back. Now, I bought this back in December as a Christmas gift to myself, And it's April, but this is the first time I'm using it. You're seeing the first time I'm using it. So we'll see how understanding they are, and we'll see if they take care of this customer right here. So I'm going to run to the store, and I'll let you know the results as soon as I get back. I just got back from Harbor Freight, and everything worked out. The manager was real cool. In lieu of a refund or an exchange, he gave me a gift card for the value of the tool, even though it was past 90 days. So kudos to Harbor Freight for hooking me up. I wouldn't totally write off Chicago Electric tools altogether, because I did buy a really good oscillating multi-tool from them, and that worked on a lot of jobs. But this one particular tool, this reciprocating saw, obviously it didn't work out as you saw. So I hope the review was good in case you're looking to buy a reciprocating saw. And as always, please subscribe. I'll catch you next time.